We'll have more on those critters a little later. But first, many of us have dreamed of having robots, but you wouldn't normally associate them with Thailand. This is Dinsow the robot, and we're here in a restaurant using robots manufactured by the first commercial robot maker in the ASEAN region to see how Thailand is becoming an innovation leader. They're Thailand's waiters on wheels, serving up a storm at a dining table as part of the robot revolution. From marketing gimmick to caring for the elderly to defusing bombs, CT Asia Robotics has big plans as it looks to make its machines a global phenomenon.
I can see the robot can be everywhere, every restaurant, every hospital, every house, okay? Every airline, every police station. So we have to select which one first. Luckily that we met with one owner of the large restaurant in Thailand, and so we built a robot to serving the food, okay, in the restaurant, entertain customer.
But people view robots as gimmicks. How do you commercialize robots to make them viable as a business?
To make it easy start to draw people to look at it, how it works, and you know, so many kids would like to having robots serving birthday cakes and sing the birthday song for them. So as a gimmick, we can sell. So we make the robot to entertain the people at the first plan. But after that, it's got to be something else.
So what's that something else? Where are the opportunities?
Next, that we are doing R&D right now is for the elderly care, because we are lacking of a nurse. It's global phenomena that old people, you know, we're getting to the aging society everywhere. So it's not enough people to take care of the elderly. So that's why robot can be support that, not to replace the human at the beginning, but to be like a nurse assistant. Give
us a sense of how difficult it is to put an idea, to bring an idea to fruition.
It's very difficult. And we will going to the place where no one achieved it before, even in Japan or even in Germany or whatsoever. So we have so many challenges proving both on the technical side and on the perception side.
So why do you think Thailand has not been associated with robotics?
What is lacking is the entrepreneur, technopreneur. You know, we are not even dare to think that we can do it. So we're waiting for someone to hiring us and assign to do so. So I think differently. I would like to build a stage for those people to really come and build it, design it, R&D and assembly, and do the branding and sell it by ourselves.
The Japanese are big into robotics, the Chinese now as well. Are there benefits to producing robots out of Thailand?
The Japanese, they're really good in the R&D, but the challenge for them is the cost is so high, more than almost 10 times produce the robot in Japan compared to Thai. On the China market, we have to watch quite closely because they are getting more and more talented and the price is still low. The lacking is maybe innovation or understanding in certain niche. So we have to be careful on that.
How do your robots measure up to those produced elsewhere in the region or elsewhere in the world?
As you can see the robot here, I try to combine not only the function, but I try to put emotion side of the aspect to that robot as well.
สวัสดีครับ ผมชื่อดินสอ
Thai people always smile, always have a good hospitality. That should be in the Thai robot as well. So I believe that everyone would love that, rather than super high-tech machine in the house. You know, we need something cute and friendly.
Now, CP, this is the second generation Dinsow robot. What are some of the features that are here that are not in the first generation?
All the sensor, like a computer vision and navigation that we add in. So now Dinsow can see us now, can know which one is human, which one is furniture or refrigerator, you know. So that's what we add in the ability to see and understand.
And after the second generation, what would the robots be able to do?
Come to you, give the order, bring the food, bring the medicine, remind you to take the medicine at the right time, and entertain you with karaoke.
Is there a way we can get Dinsow to sing or dance for us?
Sure.
Let's see some.
That's what he's making money right now, sing and dance in the events. His song.
Yay! And there are plans for edutainment robots. What will they be able to do? Teach the kids how to read?
We bring this robot to many schools in Thailand and teach them. I mean, let the robot teach the kid his own component. So it works. Kids pay a lot of attention and would like to be engineers.
You share the vision of Bill Gates when he said that he wants a computer in every home. You're looking to have a robot in every household.
Yeah.
How viable is that? When do you see that happening?
5 to 10 years. You know, with the house who have old people first, and next with the house with little baby where the parents don't have time to take care and not quite trust the staff to work in that house. So that can be second, and the rest can be every house should have one robot.
What, in your view, are some of the biggest challenges you face in doing that, in building up the industry?
We need a success case. We need to have show the rest of the world this is the robot helping the old people, you know, proving that it can work well.
CT Asia Robotics wants to lead the robot revolution, and its cute and willing workers provide service with a smile.
Bye bye,